I always just say, take the first step. It's always the most difficult. You're never gonna know everything. You're never gonna have enough funding or enough resources. But if they're in a situation where they're open to learning as they build, and they're just open to putting one foot in front of the other, then they can start running sooner rather than later. And just from an entrepreneurial issue, I call that intentional collisions. How do you create spaces that can allow a variety of people to meet and talk and learn from each other in the same space? Because that's where good ideas come from.
Az Input programnak alapvetően az a célja, hogy startupokat nemzetközi piacra juttassunk és segítsünk, és ennek az első lépése, sőt az első lépés előtti lépés az, hogy ezeket a fiatalokat érzékenyítsük és vállalkozás indítására, vállalkozások fejlesztésére ösztönözzük őket.
Well, for me it's very emotional because there are uphills and downhills a lot, and this is part of like entrepreneurship, I guess, because you can never know what will happen, and this is what I'm experiencing right now.
ELA started out of the concept of taking education and entrepreneurship, which we believe is the great equalizer for those who are disadvantaged or those who don't have the opportunity to experience an internship or an entrepreneurial venture. So where do we start it? In the public school system or in the educational system?
Even if I don't get to use my idea, I'm really looking forward to working with a bunch of new people and us really collaborating because I've never tried to develop an idea with a group of people. So it would be really nice to see, how much 4 people can do in just this small space of time.
I think it's a brilliant program. I really love what Dr. Gray has been doing in holding these students to a very high standard and saying you can do this and you have to put in the work and we're going to help you figure that out. And I love that they focus on, not primarily, but there's a focus on physical products. Yes, you can build apps and that's a whole world, but I think there's something to be said about how do you build a physical product that can be put into the world.
The ELA program, I've learned so much from Professor Gray. He's such a smart man and has so much experience and knowledge to share with students and is so willing and wants to share that with everyone, which I think is really special.
I really like that this is very practice-oriented, that it's basically a workshop where we actually have to work and put our ideas together and form a team and really work together. And not only lectures, dry lectures are going on. As a team, create something from nothing.
I was very pleased to be a part of the Entrepreneurship Leadership Academy judging operation today, and it was very interesting to me to see such a diverse collection of students assembled together and present a myriad of different business opportunities that they feel merit good opportunity for themselves as future entrepreneurs. The amount of effort and the timing of it was remarkable. Not knowing one another and being able to put it together in a 5-day period was very impressive.
Nagyon sikeresnek látjuk ezt a fajta szemináriumot és ezt a fajta vállalkozás fejlesztésnek az ösztönzését és az elősegítését. Nyilván hasonló programjaink az elkövetkezőkben is lesznek. Bízunk benne, hogy a következő évben is tudunk egy hasonló, nagyon izgalmas szemináriumot létrehozni az Input program segítségével.
Don't try to make something perfect. So don't wait until you think that the idea is perfect, that your plan is perfect. Just get into it, dive deep, and it will become perfect.